In this video, we will learn how to control a relay by using the NodeMCU, and we will control all of 4 channels of this relay, or if you have 2 channels or 1 channel, so how we can control each channel. All right, so let's begin. So we will require these equipment. This is the NodeMCU ESP8266. We will be using this, and this is the relay. It has 4 channels. So if you have a relay with 2 channel or a single channel, it will work on that as well. So in my case, it's 4 channels, and here you can see it has pins as well. So we have 4 channel and 4 different pins, controlling pin basically. So these are some wires that we would require, and now let's just connect the circuit. So this is a relay. We have ground pin in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, and VCC. VCC and ground are just power pins, and 4 other pins are just to control different channels. So here you can see we have a D1 pin on the node MCU, and these 2 pins will be used, the ground pin and the 3-volt pin. So on the back side, we will connect the wires, and here I have connected the wires on this relay power pins that are ground and VCC, and only channel V1, and I have connected on here. These are the power pin, VCC and ground, and this is the D1 pin. Let me show you. This right here is D1, okay, and on the back side of the D1, I have connected in 1 pin from the relay. And now we will just simply connect this node MCU with our laptop, and moving on to the code. In our first line, we have declared D1 pin as our global variable, and in our void setup, we have declared D1 pin, that is the relay pin, as our output pin. In void loop, that is this block, we have declared the sequence. Relay 1 will be high for 1 second and low for 1 second. You can adjust the delay time by putting the values 2000, 3000, and these are the seconds. So you can verify the code from here. But before uploading, you need to set up. So we need to select the board, and here we need to type node MCU. And if you do not have this node MCU, you have to set up the node MCU. I will upload a 2-minute video. I will just give the link in the description. You can watch that video and you can set up the node MCU. Basically, this is the link that is required in order to run the node MCU. So let's upload the code, and this is the relay that is being controlled, and we can control all of these channels. In my relay, I have 4 channels. So let me just show you. This is channel 1, channel 2, 3, and 4. So for now, I was just controlling the channel 1. As you can see, this is only blinking, and we can just simply switch to other channels. Now channel 2 will start blinking. Let me just so I have connected with in 2 pin, this one, and now channel 2 is being controlled. Then we can change it to in 3 pin and in 4 pin in sequence. We can control it, and we can also control the delays. So in code it was written 1000, and these are in milliseconds. So basically 1000 is equal to 1 second, and you can change it to 2000 and it will be 2 seconds. And accordingly you can insert any delay for on time and off time. So that's how we can control the relay.